Today, we're excited to introduce the Payment Adjustment Fees feature. This powerful tool lets you add extra charges or offer discounts for specific payment methods, giving you more control and flexibility over your checkout experience. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, go to the Settings tab and select Payment Gateways. Next, choose the payment gateways you want to use. Scroll down and you'll find the option for Payment Adjustment Fees. Toggle it on, and you'll see two adjustment options. Add extra fees per payment gateway. Add a discount per payment gateway. Let's select the first option, and for the charge format, choose Fixed Amount. Now, let's set up our example. Add an extra charge of $10 for the cash on delivery. Add an extra charge of $4 for RazorPay. Once that's set, let's test it on the checkout page. As you can see, the cash on delivery option now includes the extra charge, and when selected, it's added to the order total. Similarly, RazorPay reflects its additional fee as well.